Today we're going to show you quickly how to fit our EGR blanks. They're pretty straightforward. Got some pictures of the tools that you need. Hopefully the video is going to be clear enough for you to actually see it. You know, we use the GoPro on my head, as you do. So yeah, hopefully that'll be good. Stay tuned. Right, today we're going to show you how we fit our EGR blanks. So you can see them there and there. Beautiful little things. So I'll show them to that camera. Camera 1, camera 2. Right, yeah, so we're going to fit these. They're relatively straightforward. This kit is designed so you can keep these pipes in place. Some of the kits on the market, you remove these pipes and you put blanks in there. However, when the engine cover's on, you can still see these pipes, and some MOT testers are getting a bit savvy to not having these pipes in place, so you'll fail MOT because you can see that your emissions has been doctored. On some of the other kits as well on the market, they ask you to remove this valve in here. This isn't necessary. I never remove it because I can turn it off in the software. So you can remove that if you like, but that's your choice. I don't ever do it because it's extra work and you have to take all this off, and it's not required because I can deactivate it in the actual software anyway. So I tend to do it this way. So that. Bolt there, 8mm, just to loosen that off. You see this bit goes across there, and then you get in. Ooh, not good. And that one. You see, you can move the pipe up and down. See, there you go. You don't want to take them all the way out unless completely necessary. Just enough so you can space it up like so. Make sure the gasket's at the bottom. That's what I normally do. Let's take this back one out. You can see that on this, sometimes the bolts corrode. And they can snap, but most of the time they're okay. If they snap, then you're going to have a bad day. Simple as that. So I've only took one of them out, and then we've obviously got enough of this. Have that. And it's just a little bit awkward to get that in. Bit of a fiddle. But yeah, slots in like that. You can sort of see at the angle it's gone, because I took the bolt out, it's gone out a bit further. But what we do, let's get this. Just to push it back over. That lines up, so now you can see straight through. Get the old bolt. We need to now put this in, but it falls out. So a little trick that is always helpful. Get the bag, pull a little bit off, like that. There you go. Doesn't fall out. That's, you know, you can have that one, that's fine. go. Make sure everything is lined up nicely. Don't want to do it too tight, just, you know, nip it up. That's that. On to the other side. This side's a bit more tricky. Right, what I normally do is take this bit off. You see, these got these little clips here. Got a clip here. Like that. Like that. Don't go too much with them because they'll break. And if someone's been here before, normally they're broken. So see how that comes up? There's a couple in there, which is a bit of a... this screw. And then we've got the two down there again. Oh, that one was tight. go. Job done. Next we've got to do the software. There we go. Finito. Now we've done, just basically assemble the bits we took back off, like so. As this is a later vehicle, the ECU is required to be told that the EGRs are no longer present. So we have to program the ECU. So what we're doing at the minute, we're just reading it. As you can see, the can has been interrupted for the dash, and the dash has had a fit. So yeah, don't worry about that. But you guys probably will never see this part unless you come to me or somebody else that can offer the EGR removal.